Hi guys, welcome to the first unboxing of the month. Today we're opening the Sensationnel Instant Pony Wrap Braid. We're going to open it up. So I've got one here that I've already taken off the cardboard and we're going to open that one up. So the Instant Pony Wrap comes with a little card as well as how-to instructions. The color that we're doing today is T227. It also comes with a mesh just to store the hair. It's called a pony wrap because it wraps around your hair. I'm just undoing it right now so I can show you. And that's it. This wrap is secured by 2 combs, one on the end and one up the top, as well as Velcro. You would go around like this, Velcro it so it's actually secure, and then use the tail, which is braided, to just tie it around. Like that. And then you can use a pin at the end to secure it. So this free sample is going to be available from tonight 7 p.m. until tomorrow 6:30 p.m. It'll be first in, best dressed. Thank you for watching and see you for tomorrow's sample.